All right, fellow entrepreneurs, this is Jason, and if you want to know more about solo ads, you're going to want to watch this video because I'm going to go through the definition of what a solo ad is, where they come from, how it works. I got a flow chart that diagrams exactly where all these solo ads come from, and then I've got some real live example, pages that will show you exactly what a solo ad looks like going from end to end. And then at the very end, I have a bonus for you. So if you stay at the very end, this is not a very long video. It's going to be pretty short, but I'm going to show you exactly how, you can get more information on solo ads. All right, guys, so let's get right to it. Okay, so what is a solo ad? All right, so a solo ads is really a way to create lead generation for yourself. And solo ads are named by a number of different ways. You could say email media or solo advertising, or is a way of driving traffic to a landing page by buying clicks from people with very large email lists. Okay, so some of these people, solo ad providers, they don't have all the emails, or it takes too long to fill it through their own emails. So what they'll do is they'll buy or purchase leads from other solo ad providers that will help them fill their orders, and that makes it very fast delivery for their solo ads. Now, solo ads are one of the most effective methods of getting your message in front of new subscribers without any distractions. So it's very easy to do. You don't have to go through Facebook to set everything up and all the distractions. Basically, you put it up there and boom, you got ads. You can get them in a matter of minutes, leads directly to your website. So solo ads are the effective method of email advertising for affiliate marketers. So if you have an affiliate like multi-level marketing or a business opportunity, and there's different solo ad providers for different niches. So you want to make sure you ask your solo ad provider which niche you're in. And if you're in the how to make money online niche, that means that there's most of solo ad providers will be able to get you that information. But some people have, pets that they may have a big list of pets that you can actually promote your product on. Okay, so in this diagram, I've got a flow chart that describes how solo ads are being created. And there's people all over the world, and really all over the world. There are millions of people looking for ways of making money. And what a lot of people do, a lot of solo ad providers will put banners up, capture those, and bring them to their email list. They may even do Facebook marketing or Google advertising and bring in leads all the time directly to their email list. And so what happens, it goes directly to their website, and then they actually communicate to those lists, make sure that they got good lists that are pre-qualified, and then they determine if they want to, if it's for a niche for a dog or if it's how to make money online. They make sure they segment that list out. And so what they do is they have a way to put their link in and put it in their email or their website system, and then they'll send direct leads directly to your opt-in page. And it's very cool, it's very fast, and if that customer likes your opt-in page, they will put their name and email on the list, and then you send them directly to an affiliate sales page, or it even could be your own product that you're selling to, and then you can make money directly from that, by those people coming in. And at the same exact time, your leads can go to your autoresponder automatically. And then what you can do is you can follow up with those leads, and over time you can make more money with that because you could sell them another product or services directly to that list. So it's really, if you think about it, solo ads are very easy to do. They're very fast, and you can actually build your list within a matter of days to months to build your list in from 100 to 100,000 people if you wanted to, and make money in two areas of that. So it's a great way of building a list. So this next page is an example of what an opt-in page. So let me go back to this page. This is where I was talking about an opt-in page. This is what the opt-in page looks like. And it's very simple. If you noticed here, there's no, you're not selling a product. This opt-in page needs to be very general. I'll create success stories. And that's all it really says. You're not trying to sell them your product. And then you can see that there's no product or anything mentioned in here. It's really generic. And then all you really want to do is capture their name and email. And when they hit this button here, they go to a page like this. And this is a sales page with a video and a place for them to buy, and they will enter their mail. This is an affiliate marketplace on ClickBank. So you can actually do something like that. Is when you go to ClickBank, you can find offers that you can promote to a list. You build your email list through Aweber, GetResponse. There's Conversion Pros. There's a ton of different ways you can build your email list on, and you can build your email list relatively fast. And then all you got to do is keep repeating and rinsing and repeating the process over and over again, and it's very successful. So this is how you can grow your wealth with your own very money machine. So you can sit there and just keep buying solo ads, feeding it, and then you can actually make money over time with your particular products. Now, let me talk a little bit about percentages. I didn't have that in here. Usually about 30 to 50% conversion rate. So for example, this page right here, you could actually have about a 30 to 50% opt-in rate, and sometimes having no image in the background at all, making it just a white background, is better. And it just depends on your customer and what they're looking for. So sometimes an image works well, sometimes it doesn't. So that's pretty much it. So at the end here, I went too far, sorry about that. So at the end here, I have secrets about buying traffic. So if you go to Jason Gerald /quality-solo-ads, you can actually download for free the secrets about buying traffic. And it's a very good ebook because it goes through all of the different ways that you can buy traffic with that, and questions and answers that you need to ask when you're buying solo ads. So go ahead and go to the jasongerald.com and go ahead and download your free copy of this secrets about buying solo ads. All right, guys, hopefully this was helpful. Let me know. Subscribe to my channel here. Make sure you hit that notification button. And I look forward to working with you and hearing from you. And let me know if this video works for you. And go to jasongerald.com and comment on my blog. I would really appreciate it. All right, make sure you go out there and forward this, like this, and promote this on Facebook. All right, guys, have a great day and go out and create multiple streams of income. Bye.